busy.
To buy your first home, visit HomeToWin.ca. Making friends out of neighbors. But then I tried Ancestry DNA and learned
say hi.
we have more in common than just a fence. Check this out.
Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, and I was supposed to have, ignore my hair, I haven't brushed it, I just put dry shampoo in it and threw it up. I was supposed to have an interview this morning, but I canceled it because it's not something that I want to do, and it's way less money than what I thought, so I'm just like, nah, not doing it. Sneak peek of this top, it is going to be part of my spring haul, so I'm not going to tell you where it's from or anything like that, or show you the whole thing until that video is out, but I'm still waiting on a couple pieces. But anyways, I have to go upstairs right now and fix my hair and film a short video interview kind of thing. Long story short, they just want like a 1 to 2 minute video of me talking about why I want to work for this company, blah, blah, blah. The interview yesterday did go really, really well. And I think I might have that job just from like corresponding back and forth, and did I not blend that enough? I don't even know. And then the employer asking like if I'm okay with a certain number of hours and stuff like that. So hopefully that works, but just in case, I'm also gonna apply for this other job and do the little video interview. So I'm doing that now. Baby girl is sleeping, and I'll talk to you as soon as I'm done this interview, and my hair will look a lot better than it does right now. So one of my lovely subscribers has asked me to do a Q&A. So I've never done a Q&A actually. I think anytime, I'm gonna be brutally honest, anytime in the past I've tried to do a Q&A, my channel was a lot smaller and I never got any questions. Which is like so embarrassing. So if you guys want me to do a Q&A, I will. I obviously have more followers on YouTube than I do Instagram, so that's why I'm telling you on my Instagram, if you guys want me to do a Q&A, leave any questions down below that you have. I'm a very open book, so literally nothing is off topic. Like, I will pretty much answer everything, with the exception of like financial stuff, because that's between like my husband and I, but anything else, like, I'm an open book. So if you want to leave your comments down below on this video, then or you can DM me on my Instagram. It's Lindsaychristinevlogs. I always link it down below. So if I get at least 10 questions, I will do a Q&A. And if you want to, if you're one person but who has like 5 questions, that's totally fine. Like, I'll answer, it's not just like one question per person. So if you want to leave me any questions, you can DM me or leave them in the comments of this video. And my next video will be a Q&A, again, if I get at least 10 questions. That's kind of the goal, so leave them down below. I just got back from my parents' house. I look really rough. I am so tired today. I don't know if it was from going to the interview yesterday and like all of the, I don't know, like hype about that. I'm not really sure, but I am so tired today. So I just had lunch at my parents' house, and I did come home to put her to bed because, as you guys probably know, she will not sleep anywhere but her own crib. A lot of you have been asking for a video on A, what Blake eats, and B, on her routine, like her daily routine. So I am gonna do that for you guys. I'm just going to, she's in bed right now. What time is it? 2:20. And I'm just gonna clean all my makeup brushes because it has been a very long time since I've cleaned my own brushes. So I need a towel or something to like, look at how horribly disastrous my things are, my drawers, like so bad. So I just lay some towels out here. Obviously, when I'm doing clients' makeup, I always wash my brushes right away. But when it comes to myself, I'm like, I don't really need to, and I really should, because that's not sanitary at all. I need to sterilize those bottles as well. So to get my sterilizer out. And like, I really wanted a nap because I'm so tired. But again, it comes down to this where like, if baby's napping, I need to get stuff around the house done. So that's why being a mom is like a difficult, not difficult, but that's why being a mom is not the easiest in the world, because you're tired. And yeah, you could nap, but then nothing in your house gets done. So, you know, it's if you want to keep your house looking nice and, you know, clean your brushes and pick up the house and do laundry and vacuum and wash the floors, then no nap. However, I will say I'm much pickier than probably the average person, just because I'm a bit of a clean freak. Like, and my house would be so much cleaner if I didn't have a baby, because obviously I'd have more time to clean it. Look at the bags under my eyes. Oh my God. Hold on, I gotta put you down for a second. So I can just, there we go. Clip that into place, and then I'm gonna put this in the microwave to sterilize, and then I let the bottles dry and then I put them away. But yeah, I know I'm a lot pickier than other people. Y'all, I can't help it. But I am just exhausted. But I really want to get my makeup brushes cleaned, and I just quickly vacuumed and washed the front hallway floor. So cleaning the brushes and just relaxing till she gets up from her next. Princess is awake and I need to open the blinds. I did not have a rest like I probably should have. I just caught up on YouTube videos and I edited a video. Like, seriously, look at these bags, oh my God. But baby's up from her nap and it's 3:25, so I'm gonna go get her. The baby. You see yourself? There's a baby. I see you. I see you. You're watching Ellen, although it's a rerun. Oh, really? And she's playing with her bucket, and this is Jeffrey the giraffe. This is Jeffrey? Yeah, she likes her bucket. Her hair is buck wild today. And she's got her rattle. She likes to chew on that. Look how blue those eyes are. Your hair is crazy. And then she's got her ducky. And she's got her two favorite balls. The one that's accidentally in French, which I don't understand. And this one moves a lot too. So I'm just waiting for my in-laws to get here. Well, the sun is crazy right now. So I'm waiting for my in-laws to get here. They're coming for a visit, and my mother-in-law painted a picture. I'll turn this way so you can see me. My mother-in-law painted a picture for us for up the stairs, so she's bringing that tonight. I'm so excited to see it. So I'm going to show you guys that after they're gone, and she has a gift for the baby and Colin and I think, because they went to Florida for vacation. So yeah, we're gonna have a visit with them because they haven't seen the baby in a little bit. So they're coming soon, and I made some supper. I'll show you that later. But yeah, we're just playing with the baby. For dinner, Blake's having chicken, avocado, and I did a cauliflower mash. So it's like mashed potatoes, but with cauliflower, and it has a little tiny bit of cheese. Good girl! She's starting to feed herself a little bit, but she doesn't have like the pinchers down pat, but she can pick things up and put them in her mouth if they're like big enough. So that's what Miss B's having. So it is 10 to 8 and I just got dinner in now because I was feeding the baby, and then my in-laws came and they just left at like, I'd say 10 to 6, quarter to 6. So baby is down for the count. She fussed again tonight, so I had to go up there and rock her and everything like that, just because she's going through the 8 to 9 month sleep regression. So she's still sleeping well like at night, but she can't like settle herself to sleep. So I have to go up there and rock her and whatnot, and now she's fine and she's calm and she's sleeping. I'm good. I think I want to show you the picture tomorrow that my mother-in-law painted for us, just because you can see it in the light, and that's just better. For supper, I just had 2 slices of Ezekiel toast with a little bit of butter and a whole bowl of Brussels sprouts. And I did that because, and Brussels sprouts are very filling and like super low calorie, and honest to God, I love them. Like, I love them roasted in the oven and they get all crispy. Oh my God, so good. So I wanted a lower calorie dinner because for lunch my mom made me this like huge meatball and cheese sandwich and I figured it was about 500-600 calories. So I know I said I'm not counting calories like for weight loss, but I do kind of like in my head kind of gauge, or not so much that, but like if I ate something unhealthy, then the next meal I eat mostly just like vegetables or like lean protein. But I didn't feel like cooking chicken, so I just ate a whole thing of Brussels sprouts and 2 slices of toast, and I'm so full. And I think that was probably like under 300 calories for that. So, and I'm full. I just have a gum because my mouth is like on fire, so it helps me to chew gum. Anyways, I'm gonna go, and I will see you guys tomorrow, and you'll see the painting tomorrow. I love you, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.